I just got hit so hard. There we go. Snook. There we go. Come here. There we go. Little like 18-inch snook right there. On the DOA cow paddle tail. There it is. Let's get out in the sun. Yeah, nice little snook right there. Definitely can't complain with that. Alright, let's see if we can get some bigger ones. Sucking on my thumb right there. There he goes. Always make sure, especially after you catch a snook, to check your line for frays. That guy didn't fray up my line too much, so I was good. So all I'm doing now is trying to do a little sight fishing. So I'm standing up on the kayak and I see one. Hold on. Oh, he's spooked. Damn it. Alright, just gotta keep going. Yeah, I'm just looking for these snook. Once I see one, then I pick up the rod and I'll make a cast. That's the second one I've seen trying to do this. It's not the easiest, but if I can pull it off, it'll be sick. All I got tied on is a DOA paddle tail, the DOA cow. We'll see if that works. Got that one smaller one over by the bridge. Well, I've heard there's some beasts in here. Oh, freaking monster. There is a monster snook right here. Nope, that's behind him. No! I spooked him. That was like a 40-incher. Yeah, once they spook like that, they're most likely not gonna bite again. Not for a while. When you're trying to do this, you want to make sure you have the sun to your back so you can really see in the water. But when that happens, you gotta watch out for your shadow. You don't want your shadow to be right where you're looking, because then it'll spook the fish before you even see them. We just had a cold front roll through last night, and these snook like to back up into these shallow creeks when it gets cold, because then the sun really warms it up quickly. That's why I thought today would be a good day to try this spot. I'm just gonna head back to the bridge. The tide's really going down. It's getting low in this creek. I spooked like 4 or 5 when I was over there, and then I ended up catching that one and getting bit by another one. Oh, I got hit. Oh, damn it. Got some though. Terrible throw, still got him. It's gonna be a big snook that goes after one of these. It's gonna keep 4 of them. Throw the rest back. Here we go. Let's go fishing. So I went to the spot yesterday. I saw a bunch of snook that like spooked when I got a little too close, and some of them were beasts. Like I'm talking like 35, 40 inches. Went ahead, cast netted some finger mullet. Just gonna see if I can live bait some of these big ones while throwing either a Miridine or the DOA Cal that I was throwing yesterday. So we'll see. We'll see what wants to bite. You guys my Uber? Take me to where the snook are. I gotta save my energy for all the snook I'm about to catch. That's more like it. Yeah, can you guys do this every time? I can head in from here. Slingshot engaged. Thanks for the Uber. So all I'm using is just this 4.0 circle hook right here. And 30-pound leader. Got about 1.5 feet of that. So all I'm doing is taking my mullet, hooking them from the bottom jaw through the top jaw. Oh my God. There's a beast in there. So what's going on is the tide's coming out and these mullet are up in these creeks, and when the tide goes out it just gets too low for them, so if you can see them just flushing out of here. So these snook are stacked up in these bridges and on these deeper little cuts right here. I've seen a couple blow ups in these right there underneath a couple of those bridges over there, those pilings. So I might hop in the kayak and try over there. Got one. Not a bad one. Feature right here. He's got like his gill plate missing. Probably like a 24-inch snook right there. Not bad. Oh my God. Ate the live mullet. Whenever you're ready, buddy. Yes. He's got this like, his gill plate's missing on one side. It's really weird, but he seems to be doing fine. Good.